be talking about Python's data types and basic data structures. A data type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. They are your basic building blocks when constructing larger pieces of code. Python has got three basic types, and we shall look at them in detail in our next slide. We've got integers, floating points, and string. An integer, which is short for int, is a whole number. So it refers to whole numbers like the number 6, 700, million, etc. And then we've got the floating point, which is short for float. And this refers to numbers with decimal points. Examples, we've got 1.6, 6.98, 10.0. And then we've got strings. A string is an ordered sequence of characters. And these strings could be numbers, it could be letters, they could be any other gibberish as long as they are surrounded by quotes. And the quotes can either be single quotes or they can be double quotes. That's a little bit about data types, but we've got data structures in Python too. A data structure is a specialized means of organizing and storing data in computers in such a way that we can perform operations on the stored data more efficiently. So data structures are a little bit more specialized than data types because of their ability to hold other objects. And again, in Python, we've got dictionaries, we've got tuples, sets, and booleans. So a dictionary is an ordered key value pair. Like we can see, we have the key, and then we've got the value. And then we have the tuples. Tuples can be pronounced as tuples, some say tuples, some say tuples. So whatever way you want to pronounce it, it doesn't really matter. But they're an ordered immutable sequence of objects. So and they can be represented by this. For the dictionaries, we use these curly brackets. And then we've got brackets for the tuples. And then for the sets, sets are unordered too, but the unordered collection of unique objects, where unique is the keyword here. For sets, everything in a set is unique. And just like the dictionaries, they're also stored using these curly brackets. And then we have another data structure, which is a Boolean. Boolean is a logical value that is indicating whether something is either true or false. So this is just a really brief introduction to data structures and data types, and we're going to learn more about this in the coming lectures. Thank you.